In this HitFilm tutorial we will show you how to import a video, add some text with effects to it, and then export it. First, let's open up HitFilm and start a new project. Under the Media tab, click Import. And select the video you want to add text to. Right-click the video, and select Make Composite Shot. Click OK. On the upper left, click the text sign. Click and drag on the stage, or enter parameters. Click inside the text box and insert your text. Go to the Text tab. And set your text properties. To add some effects to the text, double-click it. Next to Effects, press the plus sign. And apply an effect. To render and save it as a new video, click the Export Content button, then go to Export. On the right, select the format you want to export to. And click Start Exporting on the bottom left. It will be saved to your desktop. Let's watch the results. All done. Please subscribe.